Welcome to Cooking with Gringos Budget Meal Friday, because eating good shouldn't mean going broke. Today we're going to make a chili cornbread casserole. We're going to brown up 1 pound of ground beef. And then we want to drain off all that excess grease. And I was going to use the paper towels and soak it all up. Now that the meat is cooked, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, salt, onion powder, cumin, and chili powder. Mix that all in. We're going to add in 1 can of black beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes that we've drained the juice off of, make sure everything's well incorporated. Pour that over into a 9x13 pan. We're going to use boxed cornbread. Make it according to the package. So 1 egg, 1/3 cup milk, and 1 box of cornbread. First we're going to break in that egg, mix that milk and egg together. Now we add in the packaged cornbread. Mix it up. And then we're going to apply it to the top of our beef mixture. Get it on there as good as possible. I'm going to try to spread it out a little bit. That's good enough. Now we're going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes in an oven at 375 degrees. And now, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's pretty good. We can adjust the seasonings a little bit better, but the ChatGPT recipe. So all it called for was chili powder to taste. It cost us right at $10 to make, and this feeds 4 to 6 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.